I think I love this. This is compostable. In a box. In another box. There's no waste. There is zero waste.
Welcome back, wonderful people. Thank you for coming back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm very excited. This is takecareof.com. It is a vitamin subscription program that allows you to get your vitamins delivered right to your door, and you can personalize it. So this is just an unboxing. Hopefully I get to go more into detail at another time about this subscription. I'm so excited about it. This is really, really cool. I also do want to do my due diligence and get more research on it, but this is just my reaction for the unboxing. Stay tuned for more.
Okay, so here's the box. It says take it personally. You open it. It says so fresh, so clean, care of. Made for Jennifer. That's me. Here is the box. What does it say here? It says, what is next? So this is where it comes out from. You can set it up. And you just pull one out. Call somebody who you haven't spoken to. Call someone today who you haven't spoken to in a while on the phone just to say hello. So this is cute. This is a cute message. Let's see what the back says. It has all the pills. Then your guide to protein, your guide to boosts, your guide to quick sticks. And then it has, this is really nice, nutritional facts of the things that I am taking. So it's not everything that they provide, but these are the things I'm taking. I'm taking cranberry. I am taking a cultured B complex, iron, and rhodiola. So this is really nice. Gives you nutritional value, tells you how to take different things here. I did not get any of the quick sticks or the boosts or the proteins or the collagen. I literally just have vitamins. So this I actually got with a discount code, and it came to about less than $20 through Octavia B's discount code. So I'm trying it, and this is not sponsored. Okay, sorry, I have people on the side speaking to me when they should not be. But anyways, so yes. So this is very interesting. Like, I really like it. I think as I do more, I will give you guys more information on it. Let me just read the thank you. It says, the supplement aisle is sprawling and overwhelming. The internet is a wide expanse of viral panda videos. The world is a noisy, wonderful, busy place. In the midst of it all, you found us. Wow, we appreciate it. We are a small team with a big vision. We see a world of unique people with many paths to a simple shared goal of health and happiness. We believe in the power of empathy, technology, and science to hasten that pursuit. Above all, we believe in the power of conversation. We are here to help, so get in touch if you ever want to chat about things big or small. Take care. And then it tells you the co-founders. Okay, so I guess it's a small company. So it also tells us what each thing does. It says cranberry supports urinary tract health, B complex, dietary sources and concerns. Iron, it says to consult your doctor. The reason why I picked iron is because I know that my doctor has told me on several occasions to take it. So I know that I'm iron deficient. And then rhodiola, supports stress and mood. So I'm really excited about that one because with COVID and everything, quarantine, it can really take a toll on you. So this is wonderful. It gives you information on opening your packs, location, where to put your pack so you can remember yourself to take it, a pack a day with food. And then also you can compost your vitamin packs. So let's go through this. Paper. This is compostable. In a box. In another box. There's no waste. There is zero waste. I think I love this. This is amazing. So I would definitely recommend everybody to try this. This was literally an unboxing. I haven't gone into too much detail, but after I get more information, I will come back and share more with you guys. So thank you for joining. That is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit up the comment section. Maybe one day I will get sponsored, but I don't really make videos. So I just want to share this. I'm trying to be on a wellness journey. I'm on just so many different types of journey just to better my life, happier, stress-free. And so if this helps you, let me know. If you've already tried it, let me know as well. Let's interact, okay? This is a small little family community. So have a good day wherever you are in the world. Bye.
Once again, this is an unboxing and review of Care of Vitamins. This is a personalized monthly subscription for vitamins. Check out the website, takecareof.com. So, if you made it to the end of this video, you obviously like something that I'm doing. Take the time out to subscribe, and I hope to provide more educational, informative videos that will help to better yourself, your lives, or the lives of someone else you know and love. Have a good day wherever you are in the world. Bye.